Wow.
This is their owl that just passed away, and we're here with someone.
I want to hear this one.
Zombie, bro.
This is the story of a great hunt for the big bear in the sky. 4 bright stars in the big dipper represent the big bear. 3 stars behind the bear are 3 hunters. The first hunter carries a bow and arrow, carries a cooking pot, and the third hunter follows behind, gathering wood for the fire to cook the bear. In the spring, the large bear woke up from its long winter sleep and stepped out of its den. The bear was very hungry and went out searching for food. The 3 hunters were also hungry, and when they spotted the bear, they chased it.
Yeah, the Big Dipper.
All summer long, the hunters followed the bear, never giving up the chase. Summer soon turned to fall, and the bear began to get weak and tired.
Huh?
The first hunter shot an arrow that killed the bear, and the bear fell over. Blood from that great bear fell from the night sky and covered the leaves, leaves, sumacs, and other trees. This is why we see great leaves in many of the trees in the forest.
Turn off.
Hunters cooked and ate the bear, cheering the mouth of the people, leaving only the skeleton behind.
Where's turtle? Ooh, turtle.
I want to go see
This other one?
Yeah, there's a new one.
It's a bird. Bird.
What is this supposed to be? Oh, look, you can look at these spots. I mean, they just added this. Isn't these the shells that Mom was talking about? Oh, feel it. Ew. Feel it.
Ew.
I feel it. Feel it.
Yeah, come on. But not do it. Okay.
Here we go. Whoa! Come here, you.
It's an ectoral muscle. It really does look like an L.
You should call F muscle tones instead.
You can talk. You speak English?
Or maybe you're speaking because the important thing is, what are you doing?
Oh, it's real.
And I came to see for you, I guess. Professional muscles. There used to be lots and lots of
Ew. It's a... You don't know what it is?
Spicy.
Weird slimy thing.
I got bunny meat.
Bunny meat, do not touch. I want to touch it.
Mmm.
Easiest way is over here. Easiest way is over here.
Leaves are cuter than trees.
Me too, Lisa.
I see an owl.
I can see a different kind of bug. Come on. Oh no. On my phone, it's what old?
You know what she eats? She eats mice. Whole. She doesn't even chew her food. So they're right here right now. You see how she's fatter right there? Yeah, that's where they are. They're all in there. Nice full belly.
Because he kept saying sheep.
Oi.
Hello, peekaboo.
Bye bye.